3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we're gonna go sledding down my driveway. This is what we do when we're bored. We did it yesterday too. Brittany, are you mad? Yeah, you are. You seem mad. Okay.
So I'm going to record this while I am sledding.
Yeah, I'm sweating balls. Bryn, are you still recording?
Maybe.
Sweating balls.
Did you say down your driveway?
Yeah.
It's not your driveway. It's my driveway.
Why? It's so funny. It's not your driveway.
Wait, you gotta slid down.
Okay.
Careful you don't hit my iPod.
I won't. Yep.
Me going over the jump.
I'm sorry.
Here, stand at the bottom. I'll go from the first hill.